Hello, this is Nick from PlanetReport.net. This short video is going to be about the Mexican earthquake that occurred on the 19th of September 2017, which resulted in at least 333 people sadly losing their lives. So here is some information about the earthquake that happened. It measured 7.1 on the Richter scale, and it was at a depth of 51 kilometers southeast of Mexico City in the Puebla region. Of the 333 that were killed, 11 people were killed at a baptism, and the deaths included the baby when a church collapsed in Atzala, and at least 26 students were killed at a school that collapsed. They're just two of the terrible events that occurred that day. The Mexican Seismic Alert System, SASMEX, was able to give a few seconds warning in Mexico City that an earthquake was imminent. The earthquake happened near but not on the boundary of the Cocos and North America plates. There's been 19 other 6.5 plus on the Richter scale earthquakes in the area over the last century. The earthquake occurred on the same day as an 8-strength earthquake that hit Mexico City in 1985 that killed approximately 10,000 people. 12 days earlier there was a 8.1 earthquake offshore off Chiapas in southern Mexico. And there is earthquakes happening, all the time, but you often don't hear about them if they don't create as much damage or if they're weaker in strength. So here is a list of earthquakes that have happened all within the last month. The information comes from the USGS National Earthquake Information Center. So the first one was 6.4 on the Richter scale, and that happened south of the Fiji Islands in the Pacific. The next one, 6.1 on 17 kilometers south-southeast of Matias Romero in Mexico. Then 3.5, that was 22 kilometers east-northeast of Sungi Bagam in North Korea. There was another one in North Korea of 6.3. That was stronger. Now, there was an earthquake in North Korea that they thought might have been from a weapons test, because there was a weapons test underground that created a minor earthquake. So they looked into it and they actually established that it was a genuine earthquake. It wasn't from a missile being exploded. And then after that there was a 6.4, 85 kilometers northwest of Isangel, Vanuatu, which is in the Pacific. Then 6.1, 281 kilometers east-southeast of Komeshi in Japan. Then the one in Mexico, 7.1 kilometers, 7.1, 1 kilometer east-southeast of Ayutla in Mexico. That was the one on the 19th. And then there was a 3.8, 12 kilometers east-northeast of Albion, Illinois, USA. 3.6 strength one in 5 kilometers northwest of Westwood, California, America. And then 3.3, that was 3 kilometers northeast of East Foothills, again in California, USA. Then there was the one offshore in Mexico, which was 8.1. And then 4.3, 12 kilometers south-southeast of Medford, Oklahoma, USA. And then 5.3, 15 kilometers east of Soda Springs, Idaho, USA. And then 6.3, 71 kilometers northeast of Muara Siberut in Indonesia. So there was actually quite a bit of activity in America, if you noticed, and Mexico, like Central America and America. The rest, there was only there was one in Indonesia, North Korea, and then Japan, and then a couple in the Pacific. So that just shows how often they do occur, and luckily they don't always create as much damage as the one that did in Mexico City and the surrounding area. So if you would like to hear more information about Planet Earth in the coming weeks and months, please do subscribe to this channel. Have a look at the past videos. I've got different ones, and you can also follow the Twitter account, which is twitter.com/PlanetReport.net. The website is www.PlanetReport.net. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.